my name in yellow hearts. For the kisses, hope you smile. The favorite color like the stars. No competition, just compete. I didn't listen very.
Hey butterflies, welcome back to my channel. Honestly, I know I should start making a proper intro, I should sit in front of the camera, but then I have to put on makeup and some good clothes, and right now I am just too lethargic, so I am so sorry, but I can't speak. But I hope that you will enjoy this video. So I had this very old Batman t-shirt. I am so sorry, Batman lovers, but yeah, I am so over this t-shirt. First, I'm coloring over the Batman symbol. I'm coloring it white. I had to add a lot of codes because I could still see the symbol. After it was dry, I took a pencil, I drew out the sketch. I had to erase the hand so many times because I am not a good artist, but I was still trying my best to make those hands. As I said, I didn't have many colors, so I took some brown and mixed it with white. It gave me a very ochreish yellow color, so I am applying that color all over the hands. I seriously don't know what is this hand thingy, but it's all over Pinterest and it's all over my Instagram feed, and there is also a filter of this hand. So I wanted to make this hand this two fingers touching each other. Sounds so weird, but yeah, I don't know how to explain it. After the yellow portion was dry, I took the very same brown color and I am outlining the hand. I'm trying to blend that brown with the ochre. I was trying very hard to blend the colors. I'm using the same brown to add the fingertip details and all the lines, and at the same time I was trying very hard to blend the colors to make it look natural.
No competition, just compete. I didn't listen very hard. I'm not on no games. She was crazy from the start, and you ain't been the same. Who been on your mind? Who got your time? I said she was a work of art. Why can't make you mine? I didn't listen very hard. You used to be texting me, checking me, calling me your time. She was crazy from the start. Treat me like my work less than a dime. I drive down open roads and slow. Perfect picture, we keep making. Here comes the train, I'll let it go.
That's it, you're done. You can leave the t-shirt just the way it is. However, I could still see the Batman symbol slightly, so I thought about adding light blue to the white portion. The hand symbol, I generally saw the pictures with blue sky and white clouds, so I also thought about adding some white clouds. My cards, but the kisses, hope you smile. The favorite color like the stars. No competition, just compete.
I didn't listen very hard.
I'm not on no games. She was crazy from the start. And that's it, you're done.
Love songs, love songs. You got me singing love songs, love songs. She put my name in yellow hearts.
But the kisses, hope you smile.
The favorite color like the stars.
No competition, just compete.
I didn't listen very hard.
I'm not on no games.
She was crazy from the start,
and you ain't been the same.
She put my name in your heart.
Who got your time?
I said she